As this new surge of coronavirus cases continues to spread, we are learning more about the timetable for distributing a vaccine, which could start as early as next month. David Lee Miller has more from New York.
Public health officials have been banking on a vaccine to bring an end to the coronavirus outbreak. And on Friday, they got one big step closer. Drug maker Pfizer applying for FDA emergency use authorization for its vaccine, which according to trials is 95% effective. And if it goes well, Americans could start getting vaccinated as soon as the middle of next month.
What will happen is we will announce an FDA advisory committee date. We could literally be looking at authorization of this vaccine within weeks.
First in line for the vaccine, frontline healthcare workers and those considered high risk. The company says it plans to have 50 million doses available this year and 1.3 billion for next year. But ultimately, the timing of the rollout will be up to the FDA.
I don't want to speak for the regulatory agencies. I don't want to create neither pressure to them, and it's not appropriate. It is in their hands.
Meanwhile, the virus continues to rage with an average of about 150,000 new cases every day. State and local governments are implementing new restrictions to try and stop the spread. But they're taking a heavy toll on local businesses, many of which have been forced to close their doors after being deemed non-essential.
We're talking about 150,000 people that are going to be laid off, and we will have to lay off our staff again, coming up to Christmas. That's 150,000 families.
Secretary Azar says once approval for the vaccine is given, distribution will start within 24 hours. In New York, David Lee Miller, Fox News.